Okay, so we are currently on our way to the annual Cherry Blossom Festival, and I'm super excited because I'm going with my mom and with my niece and the rest of my family. So we're going to be actually meeting half of the family over, and I can't wait to show you some more of it. Okay, I'll see you there. We had some minor difficulties trying to get here, but I think we're definitely here now. So now we're going to have some fun, and I'm going to roll some B-roll in just a minute so that way you can experience it with us. This time it was inside, last time it was outside. They weren't able to do it outside this time because of the weather, and I got to see a few of the kids that I teach. And by the way, if you don't know, I'm the art teacher at an elementary school, so I was excited to see some of those kids. And yeah, so now what we're going to do is maybe shop a little bit, explore the town, get some food, and I'll talk to you later. Unfortunately, they didn't have the plant that I wanted, so we're going to try and go somewhere else. Well, stay tuned. Hey everyone, it's Sarah. Not everyone, I've already started this video. This is the same vlog. Okay, so I am back from my little trip. So I went to the annual Cherry Blossom Festival. Then I went to Walmart, couldn't find what I wanted, which was a Hoya Hindu rope plant. Then I looked at TJ Maxx and I got a lot of stuff, and then we went to Ichiban, which is one of my favorite Japanese places, and I got some sushi and some stuff like that. Sorry I didn't vlog that part. This is my first time really vlogging, and I felt very uncomfortable trying to take things in, and plus I just had a lot of stuff in my hands whenever I was going to TJ Maxx. When I go to TJ Maxx, I love looking at their workout stuff, and then they have some really great like linen button-ups. Like I've bought a couple from there before. I love just tying them in the front, super cute. And I was on the lookout for a lunchbox as well for school. The lunchbox that I got is from the brand Joe & Joe, which is an Australian brand, and it looks like this, very cute. When I first saw it, I thought immediately a diaper bag, but it's totally fine because I think it's still cute, and my mom said it was cute too. It's large enough for all of my stuff, for snacks, drinks, things like that, especially my Dr. Pepper because I love Dr. Pepper. Some of the workout stuff that I got, I'm super excited about. I got this Gaiam, I believe that's how it's pronounced. It is a compact foam roller, and I have been wanting one of these because I have some problems in my lower back and in my upper shoulders. I have a very mild case of scoliosis, and so when I am addressing envelopes or I am doing things like walking a lot or bending over, or when I'm like watercoloring and stuff, then it starts hurting in my lower back. Like just last week I was addressing some envelopes and my back, like I had a muscle spasm, so I got this for that, just so I can kind of work those muscles and massage them just a little bit. I also got these therapy loops, and these are seamless bands. It says improve flexibility and strengthen muscles. So it comes in 3 different levels. It comes in a light, medium, and strong level. So I'm super excited about that. You can use it with your arms, your legs, and so I've never really tried anything like that, but I'm excited to try it. My mom has been wanting to kind of work out with me a little bit, just to add some muscle to her bones. And so I got this strength cord for her, and she can use this with her biceps, triceps, and then some shoulder muscles as well. This is the light strength, and I think it's gonna help a little bit, you know, kind of get her going in a very kind of gradual way. I work in a classroom. I'm an art teacher for elementary, second through fifth grade, and all of the other teachers have essential oils, and I've been talking with my Fab Five kind of co-op mastermind group, and they've been talking a lot about essential oils as well. So I decided to get some essential oils. I don't even know if this is a good brand or not. If it is, please let me know. And if you have a certain brand that you like, let me know that as well. Now, this comes in the lavender, eucalyptus, and peppermint. I know one of the teachers that I work with, she works in third grade. She's amazing. I love her. She uses the eucalyptus a lot, and it smells so good. And I know that that's gonna help not only with like the calmness and energy of my class, but also maybe some like sinus problems and stuff. So I really need that. You can't have essential oils without a purifier, humidifier, vaporizer. I don't know what this is called. This is new to me. So like I said, if you have any suggestions or recipes for mixes and stuff, just let me know, because I'm very ignorant of the world on essential oils. This is a Pure Spa Natural Essential Oil Diffuser, and this is what it looks like. I loved the earthy wood tone to it. It's very much my style because I love wicker and I love earthy tones. Next is the clothing fashion kind of haul. And like I said, I love their linen tops, especially the button-ups, because I love buttoning them up and tying them in the front. So this is the first one I saw. I think this is actually the first shirt that I actually saw. And this is what it looks like. I love the little polka dots. I think it's absolutely adorable. And this color is a very muted, light, like super light lavender color. And I just love this color so much. This is the brand Rachel Zoe, and it is $16.99. And this is probably my favorite shirt. So my best friend Brittany Twilly, you should definitely check her out. I will link her channel down below. She actually showed me this shirt at her local TJ Maxx. She lives a few hours away from me. We haven't seen each other in like 5 or 6 years, which is really sad. We gotta see each other. Brittany, we gotta see each other. Anyways, so this shirt was $16.99, and it was comparable to $24. And okay, you may think that this looks like an old grandpa going to Florida to retire, but I don't care. I love it. I love the colors. They're so like my brand colors. And like this really beautiful apricot, this muted blue, the kind of burnt orange. I love these colors. So I'm excited to wear this and tie it up in front too. Usually when I go to TJ Maxx, I like to kind of get out of my comfort zone a little bit. And I bought something that I never thought I was gonna buy. And that, my friends, is a jumpsuit. So I saw this hanging up and I thought, oh my goodness, I love the stripes. If you know me, you know that I love stripes. These are 3 pieces that all have the linen fabric, and they all have very kind of, not wild prints, but they're kind of mild prints. And I love the stripes. I love those leaves over there, the foliage, love them. And so I'm super excited about this. I am less than 5 feet tall, and so I never thought that I could rock a jumpsuit, but I would love to know what you think about the jumpsuit and about the other shirts. And since this is my first vlog, I would love to know what you want to see from my channel. I'm planning on putting a lot more stuff on my channel this time, just kind of kick-starting it up and just showing a little bit more personality. So if you want to stick around for that, definitely check out my other videos, and also leave a comment telling me what you want to see, anything plant related, business. I'm a creative entrepreneur. I do brand design for other creative entrepreneurs, mainly photographers. And then, of course, I'm an art teacher. So anything along those lines, just let me know. And I would love to film and help you with your journey. Also, don't forget to like if you like this video, subscribe if you want to see more videos, and if you want to turn on that little bell notification, totally do it. If not, it's totally fine because that thing works half the time anyways. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.